Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some spatchcock chili chicken at the pit. All right, next time you see a chicken running by, grab them, cook them up. So, get rid of the legs, got rid of the neck. Same old, same soul. You've seen this unless you go to the store and just get them all prepared. Now, we're doing spatchcock, which means we want to remove the backbone. Just like that, you take some real cutting shears, and you can buy those shears specifically for doing this. Some of you might know. So you just cut it out, just like that. All right? Now, why do you spatchcock? Because you can flatten it. See? Just flatten it out, and this allows you to cook it nice and evenly on the grill. You got to check it out. All right, so we're going to need some onions, so we're going to add some salt to it to sweat them out. And here we've got a variety of chili peppers to make it look real pretty and tasty. So get your favorite chili peppers, right? Cut them up, add some garlic to it, throw it in the onions. Ooh. And you got yourself some good flavoring right there to make a great basting sauce. So now we're going to add 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Here is adding some maple syrup to sweeten it up. Now add your veggies. And use your fancy-ass mixolator, right, to mix it all up real fine. We're going to be using it as a basting sauce. All right, perfect for the chili spatchcock chicken. Oh, get her in there. Bathe her good, just the way she likes it. We're using a Santa Maria style, where we can raise and lower the grate to get the right temperature. But you can use your favorite grill, right? Perfect. All right. Now, this will not take long to do. Oh, this is what it's all about. And we appreciate your subscription. Check us out. All right. Now, you've done this before, but we'll show you again. We just flip the chicken, start cooking the other side. And what we're doing here is looking for an internal temperature of about 175, 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This thoroughly cooks the chicken, both white and dark meat. And of course, every time you finish a cold one, baste it with your sauce. Perfect. All right, take a look at that. Nice. See? What a way to spend an afternoon. Flipping chicken. Oh, can you smell that? It smells good. Oh, man. Hit it with some more of your chili sauce. Just doesn't get any better than this. And in the miracle of time, because we can't wait any longer, this spatchcock chili chicken is done. Take a look at that. All right, now this is the part where the pit master is going to eat it in front of you. And trust me, he's not apologizing. You're just going to have to go out and make your own. So to get the recipe, head on over to our website. We do appreciate your support. And if you get a chance, start your own chapter. So, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. Whew. Yeah. It's good.